A blessed good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to our respected educators, to our humble officials, and to all the supporters of the first ever Unacceptable 2026. I stand here before you, not just as a candidate, but as a woman, an ordinary woman with fears, struggles, and dreams, just like any other woman here tonight. To be honest, there were many moments in my life when I doubted myself. Mga tiyon na ginapamako ko ako na kaugalingon kung may pulos pa bala ako sa sininga kanadungan. Because in today's world, women are easily judged and criticized by appearance, by the way we dress, or even by what people choose to see in us. But along the way, I realized something important. True beauty is never measured by a face, a body, or even by a crowd. Ang matuod na katahong makita sa babae na padayon nga nagabangon bisan kapuno na siya. Sa babae nga nagapangabudlay para sa iya pamilya kag para sa iya kaugalingon. Kag sa babae na wala nagapasugot nga maperde sa kabudlayan bisan pila ka beses siya napasugot. Today, many women cry in silence but continue to stand and fight each and every day. Madamo sa mga kababaihan ang may handong nilako, pero nahadlong magpadayon tungod kay wala sila kumpiyansa sa ilang mga kaugalingon. And those women always choose to put the others first before themselves. Kabalo ako nga madamo sa aton ang nakaagong sina, because being a woman is never easy. But despite everything, a woman continue to stand and continue to rise with courage, with faith, with intelligence, and with her own strength. And that is why, for me, women empowerment is not just about women being better than men. Hindi ni kompetisyon sa babae at sa lalaki. Women empowerment intends to remind every woman, everyone, that she has a voice, she has a value, and she deserves a place in this world. Nga hindi niya kinahanglan nga baguhan ng iya nga kaugalingon, agod nga mabatok sa iba. Kag hindi niya kinahanglan nga maging perfecto, agod nga maging importante sa iba. Thus, to all the young girls, to all the women out there, and to every one of us who is here tonight, may we please remember this. Never let fear or the opinions of others decides your future. Again, never let fear or the opinions of others decides your future. Padayon sa pagdamgo, padayon sa pagpaniuhan, because you are worthy, you are deserving, and you are more than enough. And we can do it all, because the strength within us is more stronger than we think. As a candidate of the Unacceptable 2026, I may not be able to solve every problem faced by women today, but in God's grace, in God's love and mercy, I do promise to do my very best to be the voice of the voiceless, to be the voice that inspires every girl who are afraid to believe in themselves. Gusto ko nga mabatyagan sa kababaihan na iyahandog bayan. Kag siya, may purpose sa sining na kalibutan. Because in the end, crowds may fade, beauty may pass, but a woman with courage, with integrity, a heart willing to serve others, and whose faith believes that solo Diyos basta. That means God alone is enough, because in Him all things are possible. And that is a true essence of an eye. mabuhay ang kusog, ang tingog,